car back. I've been asking all night, can I get my car back? Like, I don't care about the argument. I don't even know what the argument is about. I just want my car. I don't want to deal with anything. I know anytime we get into it, whether I'm right or wrong, he puts his hands on me or he threatens to put his hands on me. It gets very violent. There he is.
In your car or walking up?
He's walking.
She pretty much like we're in a relationship, arguing, conversation. Yeah.
Pat him down, please.
What's that?
Pat him down.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
What I'm getting patted down for?
Because you're getting patted down.
Why?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't have no weapons on me. What's that like that? This is cute. Don't got no weapons on me.
Hands on your pockets. Okay. So, what's your side? No.
I ain't got no side. I ain't got... Whatever she said is what it is. So whatever she want to do, let's do it. And see how far she want to take it.
Where is her car?
At her mom's house,
Let's see how far she want to take it.
He's saying he just turned over her mom.
Mm-hmm.
How far you want to take it? I'm not sure.
What do you want to do?
I want my car.
Okay, I think it's at your mom's house is what he's saying.
How did he get here if it's at my mom's house?
I know. Can you call your mom to see if the car's there?
Yeah.
Okay.
She just called me.
Okay, and see if she's got the keys.
She told me I will call back.
I'm gonna call my mom.
Yeah, call her real quick.
I just want my car. I don't care about anything else. I'm over it. I've been with him for 3 years.
Yeah.
Mom. What? Is my car at the house?
What?
Is my car at the house? I have the police here at Sheikah's house to get my car. It's not at the house? Okay. It's not home.
Okay.
Okay. I sent you you have my location, right? I'm on Green Acres. Yeah. But it's not at my house.
Okay, and mom's there right now?
My mom is there. She's coming here.
She's coming here, okay.
Yeah. My car is not here. I mean, at my house. And I don't see it anywhere in the vicinity.
Did you have her look around? I mean, why would you
Detain him, please. I need an affidavit from you. Okay.
Where's that?
That's where you're filling out that you're wanting to pursue charges. Okay. Where's our car? Where's our car, Marquise?
Can I talk to her?
No.
Can I talk to her more?
Mm-mm.
Her keys are here.
Real quick.
Her keys are here. Can I give you her keys?
I'm sorry.
Have you ever filled out an affidavit with us before?
No.
Okay, so the suspect is going to be his information. This, where it's the narrative, that's going to be what happened, the incident, okay? And then all of this is going to be your information, all right? So don't sign this until I swear you to it, all right?
Okay.
If you have any questions, get with me or get with one of the deputies, okay? And don't listen to what he's running his mouth right now. Just let him run his fucking mouth. Okay. also need to provide her information about an injunction.
I guess it's saying the car's at Heatherland.
I don't remember.
I'll read it off to you. So it's 850. It is 917.
When did I call?
Confirm with her mom, the car's over there.
No, Mom said that the car is not over there at her
My mom
residence.
is on her way here.
But Mom said car is not there.
Car is not there.
Okay. So let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find it. I think I agree with you, ladies.
It's okay.
I agree that it's somewhere probably within about a mile.
I'm trying to think where it would be. Is anyone by his house in Shalimar? Is my car there?
No, I think it's going to be somewhere around here. Excuse me. We're going to check around here, and then if we can't find it, then we'll start looking up other places.
You didn't say where it is?
He's playing games right now.
He's gonna play games. That's what he's gonna do.
Mm-hmm. If he had the firearm, would he leave it in your car? No?
He would leave it in his own car.
He'd leave it in his own car.
If there was any weapon, it'd be in his car, not in mine. I hope
Right.
mine.
Right. When he sent you the picture that we're looking at that we can't figure out what it is.
That is. I think it's. What do you think that is?
I don't know. I really don't.
Like
It's a
honestly,
weird picture. It's like
it was a threat, and it's my not dashboard, but my screen.
Right.
You know, so it's like, why would you send me a picture of that? I'll show you again and
Yeah.
you tell me what that is. I don't know. Like, I don't know what that piece is because that's not ordinarily there.
Right. Does he have anything on the firearm, like any aftermarket
Like a silencer?
Mm-hmm. That's what that is.
I'm about to cry. But yeah, he has more than one weapon. And I just wouldn't think he'd have it in my car or toting it around.
Okay.
Or anything like that. But he's sending me a picture, threats, and I'm like, what is that? Me and her both trying to figure it out. Like, what is that?
I couldn't even tell.
We couldn't even tell, but more than likely it probably is a weapon. And he's like, I'm gonna bust your whole shit up. Like, I'm gonna bust your windows. I'm gonna bust your radio, whatever. He's like, I'm gonna bust your whole shit. Like,
Okay.
by the time you get to your car, it's gonna be over with. And I'm like, okay. At this point, I want to be done with it. I don't even want to entertain it because he is known for playing games.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, I need to show you, like, I'm not playing.
Right.
On my car, that's that. I don't know what the fuck he has going on, but
Get the picture. If she'll give it to you, because it does. It looks like a silencer pushed up to the dash area. If you want to go ahead and transport him, I'll stay here and get the affidavit.
Okay. And then, just because you mentioned that.
I'm sorry, it took me so
No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
like that. Is there anything else I need to fill out?
So if you can tell me what the vehicle is and how much you think that it's valued at.
Like how much I paid for my car?
Yeah, or how much you think that it would value at right now.
Stolen. So, okay.
They got it?
Okay.
They found it.
Where is it?
1656 Hunt Club over here off MLK.
Heather Glen.
Is that the other place?
That's those apartments. Like, on that one road where the, two gas. He must have walked. How far is that? I mean,
I'd say
walking,
about 2-3 miles.
walking it's a little minute, but driving it's not too far.
I'm pulling out vehicle search warrant.
Okay. Do you know your tag number off the top of your head? Okay,
don't.
it's okay. What? What? Where? Right there? Give me traffic. Shots fired. Shots fired. I got a deputy down.
No! Please, no! Please!
Off of McLaren. We're off of McLaren. Shots fired. I got a deputy down. Jesse, how are you? Jesse, how are you? Okay. 43 SO, I need EMS. I need EMS on standby. Suspect is going to be in the vehicle. Where are you hit? Where are you hit?
No!
Get back!
No!
Get back!
I don't want anybody to do anything, please! No!
I might have hit my vest.
Okay, okay, okay.
No!
Get back! Get back! I'm not going to tell you go! Get back! Get back! Get her! Get her and get her back now!
No!
Stay inside your house. Stay. Yes, stay inside your house.
Do you have any movement? Stop. Stop right there. Stop right there.
Yeah. Do you see anything in my vest?
Or you feel anything? Did you feel anything?
And my legs went numb when it hit me.
All right, all right.
I don't know. My legs went numb for a second. I heard a pop come from.
Go this way. Can you move?
Yeah.
I got you, buddy. I'm pulling out, do a full search on him.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! You know. I'm hit! I'm hit! What? I'm not! In the car! I was shot through the car! Oh! I'm good. I feel weird, but I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I don't know. I might have hit my vest. Stay inside your house. Stay. Yes, stay inside your house. It might have hit my vest. I don't know. But I'm not. I don't know. It felt like it.
Jesse, move over to me. I got you. Move over to me. Jesse, come back. Mark vehicle right there.
Dude, am I hit?
Come on. This way. Let's get further back.